dream. You can have your fill of candy where the taste is always dandy in the sweet, sweet world of chocolate.
See sugar and spices and everything nice.
Then mix it with nougat and dip it in twice.
You can try the whole collection. We have every known confection
In a sweet, sweet chocolate world. Chocolate, chocolate, we love chocolate.
It's our favorite thing.
In a never-ending world of chocolate, that's what makes us sing.
Yeah!
Toffee in coffee or drizzled on top. We're sure once you try it, then you'll never stop. It's the sugar-coated caramel dip, nutty peppermint honey drip, gooey, creamy, chewy whip, triple truffle flip.